Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a GoPro Hero 8 Black. I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset as well as how to do a reset presets. Okay, so very simple. So first thing is we need to go into preferences here. So let me go back here. So what you need to do is go ahead and turn on your GoPro. Make sure it's on the camera here, and then we're going to go ahead and slide down from the top bottom. Slide it down. There's preferences right there. So tap on that. Now we want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom where it says reset. Okay, so there's two things that we can do. Let me tap on reset here. So the first one is reset presets, and if I tap on that, you can see it resets all settings to the defaults except date, time, camera name, and password, language, and anti-flicker. If you want to go ahead and reset presets, you simply click on reset. Now if you want to do a factory reset, which you can just go back and then scroll down a little bit more, and at the very bottom here it says factory reset. So if I tap on that, and if you read that, resets your settings, clears your connections, and removes the camera from your GoPro Plus account. So basically, in other words, if we do a factory reset, it's going to blow everything out of here as if we just bought it brand new, took it out of the box, and start the setting process from the beginning. And if you want to proceed with the factory reset, you would simply tap on reset down there. So pretty simple to do. I'll go ahead and factory reset this right now. Just let this run for a little bit. Let it reboot, and boom, I just did a factory reset. So anyways, there you guys go. Any questions or anything, just comment below, and I hope you guys out. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.